Today I'll be showing you how to wire this fire alarm pull station up to this alarm. So you need the battery, you need your power supply, some wires, screwdriver, a pull, and a pull or smoke detector, a commercial smoke detector, and alarm. So first, you go on the back. There's two wire prongs. Take a wire, put this wire through here, and you can choose any one of them. And you screw this in with the screwdriver. Next, you take this and this wire, another wire. Okay, now that's wired. Time to hook up the power supply. The power supply could be whatever this is, and whatever this is. So you take the first wire, and you take this wire, hook it up to the positive. Let me do that. I hooked it up to the positive. Now time to hook the negative to the negative. Okay, so the electricity actually flows through the negative, goes to the pull station, and it's like a door. So when it's unpulled, it's like this. But when it's pulled, it's like this, and it'll go to here, going back around. So let's test it. Oh, what's wrong? Huh? There's something wrong. Well, this would... Okay, so the problem was I had this too much back, the wires. Now let's try it again. Okay, so this has to do it. Oh, yep. That's how you wire it. To set it, take a key. Take a key. And you push the switch back up. Or just open it and close it. Anyways, that was the tutorial how to wire a fire alarm. Goodbye.